That's it. Oh, damn. Come on, let's race him. We finna run him, y'all.
It's the Migos.
And you're listening to K.
Yeah, go race him. Turn the traction control off on there. Oh, okay. All right, y'all. We finna go on. See what it do one time for the one time. Okay. Everybody betting on the other side. He finna make a full pass for real. Going against old LS Mustang. We ain't trying to win. You just seeing what it do. Alright. See you looking. Man, they want to bet 20. Nothing soft here.
Make a full pay?
Yeah, well, that's that shit. Go at least half, goddamn. Unless we beating the shit out of them, but I don't think we can. Try to treat his ass. Yeah, whoop his ass.
Fuck you,
Yeah. Yeah, go on whoop.
Cut a light on that motherfucker.
Yeah, since everybody want to bet with him, that'll show him. Yeah. Get up off that Caprice.
Yeah.
Boom.
Turn that motherfucking bulb on, goddamn.
He thought he had something soft.
Boy, they thought
I know it.
Got him. You cut that nigga's head off at that bitch. Been doing this shit too goddamn long.
Yeah.
Had that nigga about 2 cars up the hole.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna come back. He
Boy,
said he was juicing.
I looked back like,
Shit, I had to put the camera back on him.
like, where that nigga at?
I thought he was coming, man.
Cut that nigga head off, goddamn.
Man, I thought he was coming, man. Why he didn't come, man? Man, you should have got out of it, man. Let him come back a little bit, man. Well, nobody betting. All them 20s up there we left on the table. We left some dubs on the table.
He can have whatever he wants.
No, tell him where that ass was, because our shit probably, this mug probably hot in the mug. It ain't do nothing all that special here. That light don't even work, man. Remember, I got this out the auction, aka the junkyard.
Yeah,
And I'm just happy that it run. You know what I'm saying? It's running. I just whooped him. Drove it here, brung him with me. You know what I'm saying? Washed it up. Too deep.
Beating race
cars. You know what I'm saying? I just, shoot, you know how it go, man. I just came through, man. A Supra. Ah, damn, now I like them kind right there. You think I can get them? Hey, man, what you want to do, man? Oh, he murder squad. The hell that mean? God damn. Now here go the Caprice. Let me get in here. Hey, man, this side, goddamn. This side. Hold on. First this Super, y'all. Let it eat. Hold on, man. We're finna let it eat. Man, I should. Make sure that this wheel be suspended. Look. I hear that turbo over there. I just hope he's sorry on the light. We should be able to beat him on the light. Get it back in the groove. God damn, how hot you want the bitch to be? You gonna make it slow? We trying to get it on his ass. I'm gonna have all the time and gone by the time we race his goddamn ass. And then you so crooked. God damn, scoop this big old bitch over. Okay, we got that Supra over there. Man, come on, bro. Here we go. Put the brakes. much one of them costs? Cause I've been wanting one of them. 100,000? I know that ain't no 100,000. I know that car don't cost no 100. That mug get clean, man. Golly, that's a collectible item, y'all. That's a collectible item.
I love you, puppy.
Golly. 2-0 tonight. 2-0. Knocking off $100,000 Supras. God, man. And race cars with roll cages. Oh, with 2 people in the car. Appreciate it, man. Boom! Goddamn.
40 and 30. Find out.
Oh, I think we was doing what, 40?
Where the phones at? They was right there. I don't know if they probably went back. We'll see what the mile now.
Yeah, the mile now. I don't got no lights up here. I don't know why my damn lights don't work. Yeah, you heard me strut. I need a new strut.
I thought I hit the fan.
I need a strut, man. You won't stand a chance against a Super on the street. Man, I thought it was better at the track so you can grip.
No, they're talking about from the road.
Oh, I don't race from a road.
We can race from the street.
That dude with that turbo truck want to race from a road. Run him, man. I'll be racing at the track. They over here talking about taking people cars now if you do something on the street, man. That scared me off. I done made him go home. Hey, come back. I wanted to talk shit. I wanted to talk about it.
I love you, puppy.
Damn, man, I done made him leave, y'all. All right, man. I'll let you. Damn. Murder Squad. Look at Murder. Murder like, no, man, he made you leave.
Don't do it.
Don't leave. My bad, Murder, man. I'm knocking off the Murder Squad. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.